Hi students, I am Prashant B. Chandran, Assistant Professor, Automobile Engineering Department, SN80 Adoor. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am teaching you about the portion that is simple problems on evaluation of mass transfer coefficient using empirical relations. It is our problem number 2, and this topic is from HMD module 6. Okay. This is the question. It is dry air at 27 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere flows over a wet flat plate 50 cm long at a velocity of 50 meter per second. Calculate the mass transfer coefficient of water vapor in air at the end of the plate. It is localized HM. Take DAB is equal to 0.26 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. This is the question. And the question itself, it is given as dry air and its temperature is 27 degrees centigrade and pressure of 1 atmosphere flows over a wet flat plate. Okay, here the geometry is flat plate and its length is given as 50 centimeter and the velocity of dry air is given as 50 meter per second. You have to calculate the mass transfer coefficient of water vapor in air at the end of the plate. That is the question. That is, you have to find out localized HM. It is HM at a particular distance x. And here the distance x is, it is given that you have to find out the mass transfer coefficient of water vapor in air at the end of the plate. At the end of the plate means x is equal to L. Okay. And it is given as DAB is equal to 0.26 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. Okay. First of all, write the given data. Temperature of the dry air is given as T alpha is equal to 27 degrees centigrade and its pressure is given as 1 atmosphere and the air is dry air. We know that for dry air, relative humidity phi is equal to 0. But here, the temperature of the plate TW is not given. Therefore, assume TW is equal to T alpha is equal to this 27 degrees centigrade. Okay. Then to find and the length of the plate is given as L is equal to 50 centimeter, which is equal to 0.5 meter, and the velocity of the air is given as 50 meter per second, and DAB is given as 0.26 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. And to find, we have to find out the localized mass transfer coefficient. That is HMX. Okay. That is HM at a particular place. That is mass transfer coefficient HM at a particular distance x. Next, solution. Before going to solution, you have to draw a flat plate. This is a flat plate and its length is given as L is equal to 0.5 meter and dry air, that is a dry air with means relative humidity phi equal to 0 it is coming with a velocity of v is equal to 50 meter per second and at a temperature of T alpha is equal to 27 degrees centigrade. First of all, assume TF, film temperature TF is equal to the given temperature 27 degrees centigrade, and from HMD data book, page number 34, page number 34, nu is equal to nu, that is kinematics is nu is not given, so we have to find it out from the HMD data book, page number 34. We get nu is equal to 15.718 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per second. Okay. The next step is to find the type of flow. That is whether the flow is laminar or turbulent. For that we have to find out the Reynolds number. Re, here Re at a particular distance x, and Re is given as Re is equal to UL by nu, and Re, Reynolds number at a particular local distance x is equal to U into x divided by nu, and here x means a point from this leading edge, that may be here, 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 or here. Okay, but here in the question itself it is given that we have to find out the mass transfer coefficient of water vapor in air at the end of the plate. That at the end of the plate means at this point. Here x is equal to L. That is, you have to give the values. Velocity u is 50 into x is 0.5 divided by nu, that is 15.718 into 10 raised to minus 6. We get Reynolds number, that is localized Reynolds number as 1590533.147. Okay, this value is greater than 5 into 10 raised to 5. Therefore, flow is turbulent flow. Okay, it is for a flat plate. The critical Reynolds number is 5 into 10 raised to 5. It is the value of Reynolds number we got is above 5 into 10 raised to 5. That means the flow is turbulent. Then from HMD data book, page number 177, localized Sherwood number, that is SHX is equal to 0.0296 into REX raised to 0.8 into SC raised to 0.333. You have to first find out the value for SC. You know that SC is equal to nu divided by DAB, which is equal to 15.718 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by DAB value is 0.26 into 10 raised to minus 4. We get SC is equal to 0.6043. This is the value for SC. Substitute this in the equation of SHX. That is SHX is equal to, first of all, 0.0296 into Reynolds number value is 90533.147 the whole raised to 0.8 into SC value is 0.6043 the whole raised to 0.333. We get SH x is equal to 2292.65785. This is the value for localized Sherwood number SHX. We know that SH is equal to HM into L divided by DAB is SH x is equal to HM into X divided by DAB. Here X is equal to L, therefore HM is equal to SHX into DAB divided by X. It is equal to SHX value we have already found out as 2292.657 into DAB value is 0.26 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by X, that is L, 0.5 meter. We get HM is equal to 0.119218 meter per second. This is the value for localized mass transfer coefficient of water vapor in air at the end of the plate. Okay, you have to be very careful in one thing, that is the unit for HM is same as that of velocity, that is meter per second. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.